Hello friends, we are continuing our discussion of Crash 2 chemistry paper. Look at question number 78. Hydrogen bond is present in ammonia, H2 and HF, all of these, both option. For hydrogen bond to form, hydrogen atom must be bonded to fluorine, oxygen or nitrogen. Alright. 79. Aluminum vessel should not be washed with the material containing washing soda because they combine to form aluminate. Washing soda reacts with aluminum soluble aluminate. This is the reaction. Aluminum plus Na2CO3 gives NaAlO2. Alright. Now look at question number 80. Which of the following compound exists as polymeric solid BeCl2? About 1200 Kelvin it exists as a monomer BeCl2. About 1200 Kelvin exists as monomer, and here it is sp hybridized. And if it is less than 1200 Kelvin but in vapor state, it exists as dimer where it is sp2 hybridized, whereas in room temperature at solid state it exists as polymer. You must know that is a behavior, that is the behavior of BeCl2. 80. Alright, question number 81. See, we are given a graph that is log of x by m and log of p. Alright, this is Freundlich adsorption isotherm, and pressure is given 32 atmosphere. Alright, and this is the intercept. Alright, k value is given, and this is the slope value is also given, 1 by n value is given, so everything is mentioned. Let us see. Look at question number 81. Log of x by m equal to this is given 1 by n, so n is equal to 5. Log k is also given from the graph, it is clear, that is 0.3. alright, and k is equal to means log of k is equal to, it is mentioned 0.3, so k must be equal to 2. So x by m equal to 2. Alright, x by m equal to 2. Log is, now it is in normal course, that is x by m equal to k p to the power 1 by n. Alright, p to the power 1 by n. If x by m, that is proportional to p to the power 1 by n, or that is equal to k p to the power 1 by n. Now this 1 by n is deduced from the graph. Alright, this value, it is 1 by n is 0.2 mentioned, so obviously n is equal to 5. So just put the value. This pressure is given, it is 32. So if you solve this much, you get 4. X by m is equal to 4. Question number 82. Correct answer of 81 is second option. Look at question number 82. Identify the wrong statement. Question number 82. Identify the wrong statement. That is first option. Ozone layer does not permit infrared radiation. It does not permit UV radiation. Alright, question number 82. Question number 83 is fourth option. 83, not correct. Ore should be soluble in a suitable solvent. That is correct, very correct. It is done for low grade oil. That is also correct. Leaching for Al2O3 from bauxite is based on amphoteric behavior of Al2 bauxite. That is also correct. So means the not correct, none are means not correct, all are correct, so we should go for fourth option. There is no other way. Alright, now look at question number 84. Which of the following complex is least likely to exist? See, this one, HgI4 we know, K2HgI4, that is Nessler's reagent. PtCl4 2 negative we know exists. Zinc can also exist. but for mercury this kind of means mercury normally does not form compounds in +2 state often, so we should go for this option, means the first option. You can also attribute steric repulsion and large volume of mercury, etc. Or you must remember this case. Which of the following does not react with the periodic acid? Actually, HiO4, periodic acid, and lead tetraacetate, how they combine? Like if we have this kind of compound, all right. OH like that, all right. CH2. See, this C bond is broken because we have OH on these carbon atoms. So OH and then OH, right, and then this bond is also broken because we have OH and O, means functional group must be there. Then only HiO4, periodic acid or lead tetraacetate get added. OH, CO. And now see, here bond breaking is not possible because we don't have any functional group OH on the carbon atom. So CH2, again this bond is not broken, like this. You get this kind of product. So look at the question now one more time. See, here we don't have function OH on this carbon atom, so these two bonds are not broken. Here this bond, both are broken. Here these two bonds are broken, these two bonds are broken. That is it. Which of the following is essential amino acid? Valine, third option, you must remember. Then which of the following is an example of addition polymerization? Teflon. Rest protein, nylon 6, they are all condensation polymerization. Chloroxylenol is an important component of Dettol, third option, you must remember. Question number 89. Propanoic acid is treated with SOCl2. So we first get C2H5COCl like this. Alright, removal of SO2, removal of HCl, and we get C2H5COCl, then ammonia, with ammonia and heating, C2H5CONH2. Alright, C2H5CONH2, Br2 and KOH, this is Hoffman bromide reaction, and we get ethylamine, C2H5NH2. Alright. Question number 90. So it is D option, 89, D option. Question number 90. Hydraulic washing or gravity separation is used to concentrate heavy ores like iron ores we can use. Fourth option, question number 90. Alright. It is based on specific gravity. Okay, thank you.